Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be completely different than usual, and it's because I decided that I set a milestone, and when I reached that milestone I was going to get myself something special. For the longest time I've really wanted this nice sexy pair of heels, and I didn't buy it for a really long time because I told myself I need to at least earn it. So in order to get there, I had to reach a certain milestone, and that milestone, since I plateaued and stuff, it's been taking forever. But after the 21-day water fast that I just did, I just finally reached that milestone, which was to be 165 pounds. If you guys have been following, you know I started around 225 a while back. I've been doing OMAD, keto, water fasting. So I was supposed to buy this for myself, and I've been saving up and waiting for a really long time to be able to buy these for myself. And finally, okay. He wants to be in the video today. I was supposed to buy them for myself, and then my boyfriend knew that I wanted them, and he decided that he's gonna gift them to me since it was just my birthday last week and it was also our anniversary. So this is what I got. They are my Christian Louboutin. I speak French, so I would say Louboutin, Christian Louboutin, but anyway. These are my Pigalle 100mm Christian Louboutins in shiny patent. I used to think it was patent leather, but apparently it's patent. So I will do a little unboxing. I'm not gonna be in the video, I'm just gonna shoot the unboxing video. And these are my weight loss reward to myself, but also my birthday present, my anniversary present. So it's a 3-in-1 present to celebrate everything in my life that's going on right now. So if you guys want to see these nice sexy heels getting unboxed, then keep watching. I'll do a sneak peek and then I'll do the proper unboxing with the crunching of the paper. But it comes with this little dust bag, it comes with the extra heel taps, and then I'll give you a sneak peek. I like the sound of the crunching of the paper. So there they are, with the famous red bottoms. I actually ordered some 3M Scotch Guard, and I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the shoes, just here. Oops. Right here, so they don't get damaged, because this part wears off really fast apparently. So I'm gonna put the Scotch Guard here. I think it's coming tomorrow by Amazon, so if I get the link tomorrow and it works out well, I'll post the link in the video. Yay! Okay. Here we go for the real unboxing. Keep watching. Or reboxing. I have to fake it so I can put it back. Pretend it's the first time I'm unboxing them. Okay, now for real, I'm doing the unboxing. I'm not going to be in the video. It's just a pure unboxing. I'm not going to put any background music so you can hear everything. And you're probably going to hear my dog tiptoeing around everywhere and some zombies in the back, but don't worry about that.
Oh my god, Red, on the
You're not
Crazy.
supposed to.